Election of members of the Senedd for the Bangor Conwy Môn constituency. The election will take place on Thursday, the 7th of May 2026. Vote only once by putting a cross in the voting box next to your choice. There are 10 parties listed on the ballot paper. Under each party name, individual candidates are listed in the order provided by the party. The number of candidates under each party name ranges from 1 to 8. The first party listed is Britain's Communist Party. Candidate 1, Jamie Fitter. The second party listed is Welsh Conservatives. Candidate 1, Janet Elizabeth Finch Saunders. Candidate 2, Harry Saville. Candidate 3, Martin Anthony Peat. Candidate 4, Samantha Cotton. Candidate 5, David Ashworth. Candidate 6, Lucy Samuel. The third party listed is Heritage Party, pro-freedom, pro-family, pro-life. Candidate 1, Mark Edwards. The fourth party listed is Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales. Candidate 1, Rhyn ap Iorwerth. Candidate 2, Mair Rowlands. Candidate 3, Elfed Williams. Candidate 4, Dyfed Jones. Candidate 5, Nia Clwyd Owen. Candidate 6, Vivek Tupil. Candidate 7, Lisa Elvin Butler. Candidate 8, Becca Roberts. The fifth party listed is Green Party. Candidate 1, Thomas Iwan Barlow. Candidate 2, Linda Rogers. Candidate 3, Nick Bounds. Candidate 4, Francis Cookson. Candidate 5, Vanessa Hall. Candidate 6, David Bunker. The sixth party listed is Reform UK Wales. Candidate 1, Helen Jenner. Candidate 2, John Clark. Candidate 3, Richard John Jones. Candidate 4, Andrew Winston Jones. Candidate 5, Craig Jones. Candidate 6, David Wynne Thomas. The seventh party listed is Socialist Labour Party. Candidate 1, Catherine Jones. The eighth party listed is the official Monster Raving Loony Party. Candidate 1, Sir Grumpus L. Shorticus. The ninth party listed is Welsh Labour. Candidate 1, Joanna Stallard. Candidate 2, Emily Hannah Owen. Candidate 3, Margaret Casilda Lewis. Candidate 4, Rebecca Jane Gibbons. Candidate 5, Hugh Jones. Candidate 6, Natasha Jane Jose. The 10th party listed is Welsh Liberal Democrats. Candidate 1, Lena Sarah Farhat. Candidate 2, David Ian McBride. Candidate 3, Mark Jeffrey Thomas Rosenthal. Candidate 4, Rob Attenstedt. Candidate 5, Sarah May Jackson. Candidate 6, Preben Vangberg.